What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Hope you had a good Friday. I'm assuming I'm gonna have a good Friday. I feel like I'm gonna have a good Friday, so I guess we'll see. Starting my morning out, not in the office. I just didn't want to go downstairs. My laptop was already upstairs, so I just started answering emails and stuff up here, and hopefully I'll get out to the shop soon, but we got to get through some of this stuff first. I also updated my Etsy. I put in some new products that are going to be limited edition. I did this last year and it was a lot of fun. We got Be Good Spooked hoodies, short sleeves and long sleeves. You get a sweet little sugar skull on the front and Be Good, Be Safe, Be Happy on the back with a skull or a skeleton hand. Great shirt, super comfortable. I have one. I have the long sleeve one. I love it, and I'm definitely ordering a hoodie. If you're interested in any merch, head over to my shop and check it out. I actually don't make money off of these. It's $36.50 plus shipping, and I literally make maybe like $1. I try to make them as cheap as I can for you guys, because with these, I don't care about the profit. I just want people to rep my stuff. I think it's cool. Head over to my shop, check out what I have to offer, and I would appreciate any purchases. Okay, out at the shop. Oh man, it's cold. It's like 56 degrees in my shop. Oh, it's chilly. I'm gonna be making some templates for somebody who ordered one, and then I'm also just gonna be making a few others just to put up on my Etsy, because cutting board season's coming up and these templates do very well. I'm gonna make as many as I can out of this one sheet of plywood or MDF I have, and then we'll go from there. But first, let's get Odin in the shop. Odin! Hi, puppy! Oh yeah, it's chilly out, huh? Boop, 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 boop. Boops, boops your nose. All right, home in the machine. This guy needs a name. I don't want it to be too Star Warsy. Not that I have anything against Star Wars. I freaking love it, but I just want it to be more unique. Yes, dude. Oh, look how good this looks. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is the 10-inch teardrop, and this is the 12-inch. The 12-inch is freaking awesome. I am super happy with the way that these came out. There is a tiny little flat spot right here, though. And I don't know how that got there in the design, but it's okay. Before I ship them out, I'll just sand that off real quick. So if you guys are interested, I actually don't think I'm going to list these on my Etsy. I think I'm going to only have them, you just have to direct message me on Instagram and I'll ship them to you that way. I'm also designing a bit holder because I'm getting overrun with bits. And this little guy just ain't cutting it anymore. So getting some bit holder done. I'm gonna make it out of ash and I think it's gonna look really good. I kind of have a free weekend. I just wanted to finish all my stuff I needed to so that way I could be ready. My wood for these barn doors I'm working on is getting delivered on Monday, and then it's just go time on those doors. I want to get them done as fast as possible. They should be fairly easy. They're kind of a complicated design, but they're not. Chevron patterns and whatnots. So we'll see. I'm excited just to build something new. But yeah, I have a couple other templates I want to cut out, but first I have to go take my daughter to school. So we're gonna do this cool transition to show you that I left and then came back. Okay, I'm back. I've got like 40 minutes and then I've got to go pick my wife up from work. So I'm gonna throw one of these teardrop templates on the CNC and get that done. And that's what I'm gonna do. Just found this little guy. See something wrong here? He's only got one leg. Check out this grasshopper. It's only got one leg.
Cool.
You guys want to pick him up and take him, put him somewhere safe?
I want to hold him.
Can you hold him?
Yeah.
I don't know that he will. He might just jump away with one leg. I don't know. Whoa! Another transition. Just spent some time with the family a little bit, eating some dinner, and they just went off to the park. I'm gonna get the CNC going. I drew a mock-up for all of my router bits for a little platform thing. So we're gonna try and cut that out on the CNC. The trick is we're going to be doing, where did my other bit go? A bit change, like my first one, and I hope it works. Let's try it out. All right, I am cutting it close. I'm cutting it close with this CNC job. I have to be at work in like 10 minutes. This thing's supposed to finish in 5. Luckily, it takes me about 5 to get to work, so I'll be a couple minutes late. Tomorrow should be a fun day. I have a lot to do outside of the shop, and I have a lot to do inside the shop, but I'm hoping to be inside the shop more than I am out. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.